If your audio sounds like this,
You can hear it in the background, and then
CapCut can fix it in seconds. Here's the thing, you don't need a microphone at all. Now let's be real, bad audio ruins good videos. And it doesn't matter if you have perfect lighting, clean edits, if there's background noise or your voice sounds thin, people just click off. And what I found in CapCut is they have two simple tools that are built to fix most of that instantly. So now I'm going to show you how to do it on mobile and desktop. Let's go. All right, so first you're going to import your video. You're going to click and highlight over that video. You're going to scroll to the right until you see something that says reduce noise. You're going to click on that, and then right at the top you're just going to check that box. It's going to run through it real quick, and then now it is active that it's reducing noise in the background. Now we're going to go one step deeper. That helps a little bit with the background noise, but sometimes it still messes with your own voice. So this is how we're going to fix that. We're going to go to enhance voice over here. We're going to turn that on as well. It's going to take a couple seconds to run. And then we have the option to, if we need to clean it up more, we can put the intensity up all the way up to 100, or we can keep it at the 75. I typically keep it at 75, but on occasion I'll put it up to 100. So then I put it there,
this is
and
just
this
a
is what the
test with
final
some
result
background
is.
noise. I got a Yankees game on right now that I'm watching. You can hear it in the background, and then when I use this tool, you're not going to be able to hear any of the TV behind me. You're just going to hear my voice.
Now this is what that sounds like when I turn it off.
You can hear it in the background, and then when I use this tool, you're not going to be able to hear any of the TV behind me. You're just going to hear my voice, and it's simply the click of
Crazy difference between the two, and all I did was hit two buttons and instantly it changed my audio to make it crisp and clean. Now let me show you how to find this in desktop. Now on desktop, pretty similar. You're going to import your video. You're going to click on it. You're going to use this big tab up here to the right. You are going to go over to audio. Once you get to audio, you're going to scroll down. You have both options here. I always hit the reduce noise first because I want to make sure it takes that out first before it even thinks about enhancing my voice. So I'm going to click on that. Noise is now reduced. Then I'm going to go to my enhanced voice. I'm going to click on that. And again, if I want to change my intensity, I can change up to 100, or I can go anywhere in between. But I would say anywhere between 75 and 100 I would pick. And that is it. That's how you do it on desktop. So right there, you just learned in seconds, you're able to fix your voice and enhance it. So that way you don't need a special mic. You don't have all this background noise behind you, and it sounds crisp and clean. And now you're going to have good quality for your videos. Now, speaking of quality for your videos, the other thing a lot of people talk about is their studio lighting. They're like, I don't have a studio. I don't have good lighting. I can't afford putting all these lights up and trying to make it look like a big studio. All right, well, I got you covered. In CapCut, there's a setting that actually lets you relight everything to where I can literally have a background behind me that looks like I have $1,000 worth of studio lighting. I can even have shadows bouncing off my face so it looks like it's really in the room. And it is a simple tool to use, and I actually shot a full video on that. If you guys want to check that out, go here and I'll see you there.